Hello, chemistry students. Welcome to the weekly work walkthrough video. Notice we've got one weekly work walkthrough video and then a quiz. Now, the tricky part about this week is normally it would be due on a Friday, right? May 1st, Friday, and then your assignments would be due on the next Wednesday. But it's weird this week because officially there is no school on Friday. Yeah, I know. Isn't it weird? Anyway, there's no school on Friday, even no online school, so I can't have things due on Friday. And then there also is no school on Monday, May the 4th. Be with you. So you guys have a 4-day weekend. So even though I would normally have this weekly work walkthrough quiz due on Friday, I can't because you don't have school that day. So if you'd like to just have a nice 4-day weekend, turn it in on Thursday, turn in the weekly work walkthrough quiz on Thursday, and then you're all done. And then if you need to procrastinate, turn it in anytime before Tuesday morning, because I'll be grading it on Tuesday morning, checking to make sure that you guys know what needs to be done on Tuesday morning. And as long as you have it in before then, I won't be panicking. All right, so then the other thing, the things that the quiz is going to tell you about is what's due to this week. And this week, all I've got is this one video and one quiz. So like one assignment, basically. And that's because we have those 2 days off. So I figured I'd only give the one assignment since you're supposed to have less work this week. So these guys will be due on Wednesday still, the normal Wednesday, May 6th. The other thing you need to know about is there's this gas laws demos video. There are a bunch of videos of things I wish we could have done in class, but you know what, we are stuck looking at videos. Anyway, so you watch the video and then you take the quiz. And now I really want to point out that when I write these quizzes, I can't put them in locked mode. And locked mode is where it makes it so you can't go to any other windows, you know, because it's a test, you know, like I used to do in class. But I can't do that because not all of you are in Chromebooks, and that would just cause trouble. So you're not in locked mode. So I am writing these quizzes, assuming that you can, you know, watch the video while you're taking the quiz, totally fine, because I wrote the quiz thinking that. You also could take notes, of course, and do the practice problems as you're doing the video, and then of course look at those notes while you're taking the quiz, just like we would do for one of our homework quizzes, homework checks. So it's the same thing as a homework check. It's like open notes, open assignments. And of course you can, like, I can't stop you from checking Google, so I say check Google because that's the way I wrote the quizzes. So you can do all of those things. It's an open resources quiz. Don't feel bad about using your resources while you're taking the quiz. I'm assuming that you're learning while you're doing the quiz. The quiz is a form of you practicing. So don't feel bad if you use your resources during the quiz. Okay, and then the last thing I think that I need to tell you is that my office hours are still the same. Office hours are still the same, but same as last week. I'll be doing this Google Meet rather than Zoom. It's just a little easier to find the links. So I got a link here under my office hours, and then there's also a Meet link right up here, same link. And then if you go to the main page of your class, there's also a Meet link here. So all you got to do is email me. During my office hours is a good time to catch me, and then we could just click on the links together. Otherwise, you can email me and say, hey, can we meet at this time? If I'm available, I'll say, yep, great, let's meet, and we'll both click on those links together. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a really lovely 4-day weekend, and yeah, miss you guys.